Hey, hi. When it comes to learning speaking English, we usually get confused. We don't have any idea what thing we should learn first, what things we should learn later on, so that our learning could be progressive. Most of time our energy wasted into learning unnecessary stuff. That's why putting so much energy and effort, we are not able to attain fluency in this language. So today in this video, I'm gonna give you a complete roadmap through which you can become fluent speaker no matter if you're starting your journey from being absolute beginner. I will share my own strategy because I will share everything through which I learn, I attain fluency because I started my journey from being absolute beginner. Now I have attained this level of fluency. So I'm not gonna waste any time of yours. So my tip number one is, if you are absolute beginner, means if you are a person who is always surrounded with Hindi speaker who don't have any person to speak with in English, right? So in this case, you can take your first step by watching a channel Hindi to English. Yes, for this I will give you a wonderful channel name through which you can learn some ready-made sentences in the beginning, and apart from this you can learn some basic grammar rule, because I have heard from many people have asked me how much grammar is important for learning speaking English. Here I would tell you only one thing: we can't ignore complete role of grammar into learning speaking English. No, we can't deny its role. Yes, it's important, but at the same time I will not say that grammar is the most important thing into learning speaking English. No, grammar is important, but only to a basic level. If you are having basic knowledge of grammar, that means you have enough data to have smooth start in the journey of learning speaking English. You don't need to mug up typical hard and complicated rules of grammar. No, you just need to have basic knowledge of grammar. So with the basic knowledge of grammar and more amount of confidence, yes, here you require more and more amount of confidence than knowledge. So with the more amount of confidence and plus little knowledge of grammar, you can have smooth start in the journey of learning speaking English. So when you are taking your first step in the journey of learning speaking English, I will suggest you, if you are absolute beginner, then you take first step by listening, by watching Hindi to English sentence videos. Yes, for this I will suggest, I will give you a channel name, that is English Connection. Yes, this channel is run by Kanchan Kesri. She is wonderful teacher. Seriously, if you are Hindi speaker, if you are Hindi medium student, then for your first step, this channel will be a boon for you, because on this channel you will get all the daily use sentences that are used in our daily life. So in the first step, you are not much aware with grammar rules, you are not good at translation, your brain is not trained to think in English. So in the initial stage, you can take help of this channel. You will learn a lot. The sentences you will learn through this channel definitely are those sentences we use in our daily life. So when you attain 10-20% of amount by watching these ready-made sentences through this channel, English Connection, okay, then you will take your next. In your first step, whatever you learn daily use sentences through this channel, I would suggest you speak them out loud. Yes, if you learn at least 10 sentences or 20 sentences in a day, speak them out loud. This way your memory will be reinforcing these sentences and your learning will be robust, right? So with initial practice, when you feel that you have attained 10% or 20% amount of confidence, then you can take your second step. Now your second step is start watching English content. Yes, now here you can take switch Hindi to English content to completely English content. You can start watching English movies, English news channels, drama, web series. So this way you will give advancement to your knowledge. So for improving your fluency, here I would suggest you one thing. If you watch English content every day, try to practice speaking 15 minutes every day. So whatever you have finished watching, just summarize in your own words. Try to speak continuously for 5 minutes. This way what will happen? This way your learning will be reinforcing. Whatever you have watched, you will be summarizing in your own thought and you will be translating in your own sentences and you will be delivering same time. This way your brain muscles will be involved, thinking, translating and giving output. And this exercise will enhance your translating ability, your understanding ability and your listening ability as well. To become fluent speaker, this exercise is really recommended to everyone. When you practice speaking with this technique, you watch any English content and then summarize in your own language. This way you practice speaking. The day when you feel that you have attained 40% of confidence, then you can take another step. Yes, you can take help of language learning application. These kind of application will give you real experience of learning a new language or learning this language. Yes, for this I will suggest you a wonderful application. You can use Ace Fluency. This application is quite wonderful for all the learner who are quite sincere to learn this language. Actually, on this application, you'll be connected with people who are also learning this language, and this way, without any fear, without a fear of being judged or committing silly mistakes, you are welcome to practice speaking. How to practice on this application, regarding this I will prepare another video, separate video, how to use this application or what are the wonderful features of this application. I will let you know everything in detail in another video. So these are the simple steps, just simple. If you're absolute beginner, start Hindi to English method, and after gaining 10% or 20% amount of confidence, you can switch to English content, and never skip speaking practice, okay? Because the more you practice speaking, the sooner you will be fluent. Because for learning English language, you can adopt various techniques. Okay, you can learn this language through various methods, but for speaking English, to become fluent speaker, you have to speak and speak and speak only. Nothing can replace it. It can't be possible you don't speak and you become fluent speaker. No, it's not gonna happen. So that's all for this video. I hope now you could understand how to start your journey, how you can take your first step. You're absolute beginner. Worry not, just take your first step and start your journey. Definitely one day you will attain your goal. You will become a fluent speaker one day, definitely. And in the end, I would say only one thing to you, that if you feel like my content is giving you value, little value, even little value, please do like my video and subscribe my channel. If you're new on my channel, please press the bell icon button so every time you're notified with my coming video. That's all for this video. I'll make another video taking new content. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye.